Back to the charts with Big Boss Crypto, bringing on a day trading analysis on Bitcoin and on Chainlink. Bitcoin has been consolidating. So as you know, the market make structure I always talk about on this channel is always a W bottom, first leg up, second leg up, third leg up, always ends with a double top formation and then reverses in 3 steps like this. And we continue on and on with this pattern every week. So where are we? Well, as you know from my last day trading updates, I've been telling you about this structure. We had a double top formation in the middle of April. We had our first leg down, we had our first retrace, second leg down, and currently we are in our second retrace. And I don't think it's finished yet because we have a lot of open volume counts in this zone to the upside, as you can see. And to determine the volume candles, you use the PVSRA tool down below. You mark off the candle in your chart. I usually mark off the green volume candles with a red zone below, because these zones always get recovered. As you see, we work in this volume candle area right now, and we could see price going to 26.8k, for example. So when we've done this second retrace, we have another leg down, and that will be our final leg down. We could go down to 25k or even down to 22.5k, and that is where we will form a double bottom formation and we will move out of there eventually. So if you're in any shorts, you could still hold on to them or take some profits. To go long, we need to see this W bottom pattern, which we haven't seen yet. We are in some kind of a consolidation and no W bottom pattern in sight. If we take a look at the news events for the macro environment, we see that the flash manufacturing PMI came out today, lower than expected, but the flash service PMI came out higher than expected, which means inflation isn't slowing down as the Fed wants to. Other than that, we have the FOMC meeting minutes coming out tomorrow, which could move the market to the upside or to downside. We also have the unemployment claims on Thursday and the core PCE number, which the Fed usually uses to determine the rates. So big 3 days coming up for the market in general. If we look at the liquidation map, we can see still that we have more money left to the downside for the market maker to grab. If we move to 25k, we can see that the market maker is gonna make some $1 million moves, and we also have volume candles in the 25k area, as I told you. So open orders that hasn't been filled yet and a lot of liquidations in that area means that the market maker is gonna probably move price to that point. The next target to the upside, however, is at 30.5k, which will invalidate the market maker structure. So these are the probabilities ahead of us. We know that we have a lot of open orders to downside. We know we are in the last leg down in the market maker move, and we also know that we have a lot of news coming out in the next couple of days. So you make up your own mind and you take your own decisions. This is not financial advice, it's just for education and entertainment purpose only. Now let's take a look at Chainlink. So now I've zoomed out on Chainlink. On the daily time frame, we can see the chart for Chainlink the last year. It looks like someone's heart rate going up and down in a range from $8.5 down to $6 approximately, which means you can take profits out of this or make some profits out of these moves. Basically what you need to do is to go long around the $6 area and take your profits around the $8.5 area. When price gets there, you go short and write it down to $6. Not financial advice, but you do whatever you want to do. This is what has happened previously during the last year. As soon as we come down to the $6 area, you could start building your longs in 3 steps. So from $6.5, you start your first long. Then when it goes down to $6.2, you can go with your second long. And then you fill the last order at $6. And you take a reasonable stop loss around the $5.5 area approximately, and you ride out up to $8.5 and take some profits, and vice versa. Not financial advice, but that's what I've been doing since I saw this pattern on the daily time frame. I saw, wow, we are in a range, and we've been respecting this since let's see here, yeah, around last year on the, yeah, we went into this zone around the 11th of May 2022, and we've been in that zone up and down for a while now. So you could basically profit from this. I know it's boring if you're investing in Chainlink, but you could take some profit, make some profits during this time of accumulation. That's it for today. I hope you learned something today and that you like and subscribe. We'll talk to each other on Thursday probably. See you soon. Big Boss out.